just to show you that I'm still around.
A chance for you to naturally learn the importance of nature and the value of biodiversity. This is one of the places where you can learn and experience the distinct climates and ecosystems of the world. Shall we go together and explore right into our ecosystems at the National Institute of Ecology?
Oh, you're so mysterious, mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself.
You will be amazed by the scale of this enormous facility when you visit this place. The Institute takes great pride in its massive size and allows you to see various existing ecosystems from all around the globe. You can observe and experience a variety of plants and animals from each different climate, so we highly recommend this great place to families with young children. The admission is highly affordable. The Institute opens from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. during winter, and the rest of the year closes at 6 p.m. The guidance services in foreign languages are also available. You can witness the wildlife and plants from different ecosystems of the 5 major climates when you visit our Ecorium, which is an indoor experience center and a landmark of this institute. For outdoor experience zones, first we have the Kumguri zone, where you can experience the wetland ecology and various birds. Second, the Hadaram zone, where you can observe forest vegetation and take a quick break at its rest area. This site is popular amongst children because of the playground with characterized rides. Third, the Goderuk zone, where you can see deer and water deer. Fourth, the Najao zone, where you can observe the pond's ecosystem, ducks, egrets, etc. And finally, the research and education zone, where specifically researching and educating about the ecological environment. This institute allows our children to grow a caring heart for our Mother Nature while observing and exploring the ecosystems and learn about the value of nature. What do you say? Why don't you take a trip to Sochen's National Institute of Ecology for a tour of world nature? Take a walk inside the well-preserved nature and rejuvenate your entire body with fresh air while seeing, listening, and exploring our Mother Nature.